Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the blocked accounts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application of Bluesky. I'll go to the three lines up here and go to the settings, and here you will find moderation. Click on it. Now as you see here, you will find the blocked accounts. Now you can manage you'll find all your blocked accounts here. So your blocked account cannot reply in your feeds, mention you, or otherwise interact with you. So that's it. That's how to find the blocked accounts easy and quickly on your account on Bluesky. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.